In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link headings and subheadings to a table of contents in a Microsoft Word document for Windows. If you have a long Microsoft Word document, linking your headings and subheadings to a table of contents makes it much easier to navigate. Instead of scrolling through the entire document, you can click an item in the table of contents and quickly jump to the corresponding section. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to work with. Make sure your document contains the headings and subheadings you want to include in the table of contents. Start by selecting the first heading in your document. Go to the Home tab at the top of Word, then look for the Styles section. Choose Heading 1 for your main headings. For subheadings, select the appropriate text and apply Heading 2. If you have another level underneath your subheadings, you can use Heading 3. Using these built-in heading styles is important because Word uses them to automatically create the structure of your table of contents. Continue through your document and apply the appropriate heading style to each heading and subheading. Make sure that headings at the same level use the same style so your table of contents stays organized. Once all of your headings and subheadings have been formatted, go to the location where you want your table of contents to appear. This is usually near the beginning of the document. Place your cursor in that location, then go to the References tab at the top of Word. Click Table of Contents and choose one of the automatic Table of Contents options. Word will create a table of contents based on the heading styles you applied throughout the document. Your main headings and subheadings will appear in the appropriate levels. The entries in the table of contents are automatically linked to their corresponding sections. To follow a link in Word, hold down the Control key and click the heading you want to open. Word will then take you directly to that section of the document. If you make changes to your headings or add new sections later, you can update the table of contents. Click inside the table of contents, select Update Table, and choose whether you want to update only the page numbers or the entire table. Using heading styles instead of manually formatting each heading also makes your document easier to manage. When you change the formatting of a heading style, Word can apply the changes consistently throughout the document. And that's how you can link headings and subheadings to a table of contents in Microsoft Word for Windows. By using Word's built-in heading styles and automatic table of contents, you can create a document that's organized and easy to navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,